Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Mustafa Khan and I'm from eMarkaz, Ahle Aljamat Quran course managed by Molana Ilyas Ghumman Sahib, and my teacher is Molana Sahib. Wudu is a very important thing for us as Muslims because it helps us in this world and the hereafter. It helps us in this world because we make wudu to purify ourselves from any impurities, or to perform salah, or to read the Quran. And for the hereafter, the Prophet ﷺ has said in a hadith that on the day of judgment, we will be recognized from his ummah because parts of our body or our limbs will be shining. They'll be shining because as Muslims we will do wudu, and in wudu our limbs will touch water, and whatever limbs touch that water, those limbs or those parts of body will shine on the day of judgment. It is sunnah to make wudu with 1 liter of water. So the first step of wudu is to make an intention. The intention is to purify myself. So that's my intention. And then the next step is to say Bismillah, or the beginning dua, which is Bismillah or Bismillahi walhamdulillah. The next step after that is to wash the hands, including the wrists, 3 times. So I will wash my hands 3 times. Once, twice, and 3 times. The next step after this is to gargle water in your mouth 3 times. If you are fasting, then you do not have to take the water all the way till your throat. You can just rinse. But if you are not fasting, you have to make sure that the water goes all the way till the throat. I will cup water in my hands once, twice, 3 times. The next step after this is to do miswak. There's a sunnah way to hold the miswak. It is the middle 3 fingers have to go on top, and the last 2, or these 2, they have to go at the bottom. So this is how you hold the miswak. You have to wash the miswak first, and then you have to brush your right teeth. Then you have to wash it again and brush your left teeth. After this, you have to wash it again and brush your middle teeth. The next step after this is to put water in the nose. So you have to make sure, if you are not fasting, that the water goes till the bone of the nose. If you are fasting, then make sure the water just goes till the bone of the nose, like right below the bone of the nose. So I will cup water in my hands. You have to take in the water with your right hand, you have to cup it, and you have to blow it out with your left hand. You have to do this step 3 times, and if you want, you can use your left hand pinky to take out anything from your nose if you want. After that, the next step is to wash your whole face 3 times. The whole face means that from the hairline to the bottom of the chin, from one earlobe to the other earlobe. You have to cover this whole part, and you have to wash it 3 times. Once, twice, and thrice. So while washing your face after cupping water in your hands, make sure that the earlobes are wet, so when you're washing your face, you can take your thumb and you can run it over your earlobe. The next step after washing the whole face 3 times is to wash your arms, each arm 3 times, including your elbow. So I will do that now. once, twice, and 3. And now you have to do it for my left hand. The step after this is to make khilal of the fingers. So starting with the right hand, we will put our left hand fingers in our right hand fingers and swipe with our right hands. Then the same for the left hand. The next step after this is to make masa of the whole head. So you would take the water, and with this water, we will attach these 3 fingers, and we will wrap this around our head and swipe back. Then we will use the index fingers and thumb to use the index fingers to go around your ear, and use the thumbs to swipe at the back of your ear. Then with the wet portion at the back of your hands, you can swipe your nape. Swiping your neck is makruh, so do not do it. The step after this is to wash our feet, including the ankles. I did it once, twice, and thrice. Along with this, you have to do the khilal of the toes. So we'll start from the right side and then at the left side. So I will take my left hand pinky and I will swipe between these toes like this. Then it's the left foot now. So I will wash my left foot 3 times. Once, twice, and thrice. Now we have to do the left foot's too. So I will start from the right side and then at the left side using my left hand pinky. So 1 and like this. Now that we have completed our wudu, we have to say the ending dua, the dua after the wudu, which is Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu Allahumma ij'alni min at-tawwabin waj'alni min al-mutatahhirin. And in the middle of the dua after steps, you have to read the middle dua, which is Allahumma ighfir li zambi wa wasi' fi dari wa barik li fi rizqi. Your wudu can also finish in 4 fara'id, which are washing the whole face, from the hairline to the bottom of the chin, and from one earlobe to the other earlobe. The second fara'id being washing your whole arm, including the elbow, once, and same for the other hand. And the third fara'id being to wash your a quarter of your head, doing masa, the quarter of your head. And the fourth one being washing your whole foot, including the ankles, once, and same for the other foot. Your wudu will be complete after these 4 fara'id, but doing these, and you can do this in conditions like if you are in the masjid and people are waiting to use the wudu sink, then you can do these 4 fara'id if you're in a hurry, or if there's less accessible water, then you can do this 4 fara'id. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.